How to search Facebook by phone number. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll show you 2 steps on how to find someone on Facebook using just their phone number. So if you have the phone number of a person and you're trying to find them on Facebook, ensure you watch this straightforward video to the end. This method works if the phone number is saved on your contacts. So if the number is not saved, do so now. Alright, let's begin. Open the Facebook app and ensure you are logged in. Then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of your phone or the bottom right corner. Tap on the gear icon to access the setting. The gear icon is in front of the search icon. Under the settings and privacy, tap on see more in account center. So we want to connect the phone number or contact list or your phone book with Facebook. To do this, scroll down and click on your information and permission. In the next page, click on upload contacts. Then select the Facebook account you want to upload the contact. That is, if you have numerous accounts logged into your phone. Then you have to toggle this on. Click on get started. And you will start connecting with all your contacts on Facebook. This would upload your contact and to show all your friends on Facebook that you have saved their number, then you can find your friend. Now, if this method don't work for you, the second method is to log into Facebook using Facebook browser, either Chrome or Google. For example, I'll use Chrome to log in. Use the facebook.com. Log in, then log into another account. Click on forgotten password. Now enter the phone number of the person you are trying to find. For example, I enter my own phone number, as you can see on the screen. Click on continue. Then you will see the name of the person and the profile picture. In this way, you can get the name of the person you are looking for on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Do well to like, share and subscribe for more useful video. See you in the next video.